Python, a versatile and widely used programming language, was conceived by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s. Rossum, a Dutch programmer, aimed to develop a language that prioritized readability and clear syntax, promoting a code style that emphasized the importance of code aesthetics and simplicity. Python's first official release, Python 0.9.0, occurred in February 1991. Over the years, the language evolved, gaining popularity for its ease of use, readability, and extensive standard library. Guido van Rossum continued to lead the development of Python until he stepped down as the benevolent dictator for life defell in 2018, fostering a community-driven governance model. Python's success can be attributed to its versatility, supporting diverse applications from web development and data science to artificial intelligence. If you'd like to know more about how Python works, please like and subscribe for more videos and turn on the notification bell. Happy coding, friends!